Hi friends, it's Miss Dockery. Today we are going to be talking about some rhyming words. I'm going to say a pair of words and you're going to listen for the words that have the same sound at the end. Okay? So, your first set of words is boy and toy. Do those two words rhyme? Do they both have the same sound at the end? Let's say it again. Boy, toy. Now I want you to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Do those words rhyme? Do they sound the same at the end? Boy, toy. Yes, those are rhyming words. Boy, toy. They both say oi at the end. Okay, let's do another one. The next set of words is girl, man. Girl, man. We're listening for rhyming words. Rhyming words sound the same at the end. Do those two words sound the same at the end? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Girl, man. No, those are not rhyming words. Okay. Next one. Listen to these two words. If they rhyme, give me a thumbs up. If they do not, give me a thumbs down. Coat, boat. Coat, boat. Do those words sound the same at the end? Thumbs up. Those are rhyming words. Coat, boat, both end with oat. Next set. Left, right. Left, right. Do those words sound the same at the end? Left, right. Let me see your thumbs. No, those are not rhyming words. They do not sound the same at the end. All right, let's do a few more. Bear, chair. Bear, chair. Are those rhyming words? Show me your thumbs. Those are bear, chair. Next. Sing, wing. Sing, wing. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Sing, wing. That's thumbs up. Those are rhyming words. Okay. Next, pin, board. Pin, board. Thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down. Those are not rhyming words. Okay. And here's our last set. Night, light. Night, light. Let me see your thumbs. Those are rhyming words. Night and light both sound the same at the end. Great job today.